Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get W-2s from QuickBooks Online. Accessing your W-2 forms through QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process for both employees and employers. Employees can conveniently view and print their W-2s online, while employers can efficiently manage and distribute these important tax documents. This digital approach saves time and ensures timely delivery of wage and tax statements to all parties involved. For employees, retrieving your W-2 is simple. First, sign into your QuickBooks Workforce account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Documents menu, usually found on the left-hand side. From there, select the W-2s option. You can then view, download, or print your W-2 copies B, C, and 2, which are needed for tax filing. It's a quick process, taking only a few minutes. Employers play a crucial role in making W-2s available. You will file W-2s through the Payroll Tax Center within QuickBooks Online. It is vital to ensure all employee information, including wages, taxes withheld, and personal details, is accurate before filing. W-2 forms are generally made available to employees by January 31st, allowing ample time for tax preparation. This process helps maintain compliance and accuracy. To ensure a smooth W-2 experience, always keep your personal and tax information updated in QuickBooks. If you notice any discrepancies on your W-2 or if it's missing, contact your employer immediately for assistance. Remember, QuickBooks Workforce provides access to your W-2 for the current year and the previous 2 years, offering a convenient record-keeping solution. This ensures you have the necessary documents readily available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.